Hi and welcome back. Today I want to show you the easy, or maybe not so easy, process of solving a problem using computer-aided design and additive manufacturing. The issue I had was one of my children's train tracks was missing the round table portion of it, so I decided to make them a new one. When creating a design, I typically like to sketch it out on paper first. This one doesn't look the greatest, but it got the point across my scrambled brains. In the past, when I was more familiar with SolidWorks, I could sketch it out on there pretty easily, but I went through a long period of using Fusion 360, and now I am in the process of relearning SolidWorks. There are definitely a lot of ways I could have made this easier on myself, like perhaps using a pattern, but I decided to just use very basic tools and techniques in order to accomplish this. I decided that instead of making a round table with a single track and a peg that spins it, I would make one that has tracks in each direction and the round table would be static. Originally, I didn't think it would spin easily because there wasn't a center point for me to affix it to on the wooden track, but after printing it and testing it out, it did turn out being perfectly able to sit in the wooden piece and spin easily. I really liked the way it ended up looking though, with the looked like a shape of a sun in the middle of the piece. I thought that was pretty neat. So this next bit is me accidentally realizing I made the radius 89 millimeters instead of the diameter. So I had to go back and change that real quick because when I loaded it in the slicer, it was definitely way too big. final piece. It printed really nicely on my Kingroon KP3S that sits next to my computer workstation. My son and I decided to go with this nice gold color I have, which I thought was very fitting considering the sun design on the center of the piece. It fits perfectly in the wooden piece and even spins freely. I haven't decided if I will glue it in or not, but it is definitely kit approved. Thank you so much for watching, and please hit that like and subscribe button if you want to see more.